was able to capitalize on the markets today. And you got to have in your trade plan that you're going to get out and not trade again, or having your trade plan to make where you make a certain amount a day and you stay out the market. But you could still be making money right now because your judgments are going to be good once you go with the trend. So look, but this right here is what you want to look for. You want to look for an actual W formation, right? That's a W formation. That's what that's called. And that happened at the bottom of a trend. So as you can see, the red line at the bottom, it's actually the red line at the bottom is actually the resistance zone, and the resistance zone is actually the resistance zone is actually where that W formation happened. So that big red circle around it is actually the W formation to where you get in for the buy. And we go over these different formations. There's different formations that are happening in the market, different patterns that are happening in the market. And I want y'all to be fully equipped to know what patterns we're looking at, right? And as you can see, I just went live earlier, and this is either gonna push past this red zone, or it's gonna drop. See, that's a liner. That is a roof. What we like to call it. We like to call it a roof. But it's look like there's a signal coming in for a sell, but there's no telling what that's gonna do. Right? There's no telling what that's gonna do. We're gonna see. I will get in for a buy, right? But majority of people are gonna be getting in for a sell. That's a sell signal strategy to where you just you trade from zone to zone. If it's stuck inside of a zone, you trade from zone to zone. But me, this is a push up. So like I said, we'll see what happens. We'll see what formations happen, right? Yep. Yep. But make sure y'all tap in TradeJunkiesInvestmentGroup.org, TheResilientBanker.com. Get your 15-minute free consultation or complimentary consultation. Um, Once you share this video, get your free complimentary consultation. But I want y'all to tap in with us today because we're talking about the market. We're talking about what gold is doing. I'm an advocate of not just trading gold, but investing into gold, right? But as you can see, we're looking at the market to see what gold is doing. Gold is on a hard push up, right? Because as you can see, you saw the W formation, which means you still could have been holding that position and still making money. If you were a long-term trader, I'm a scalper. I actually held the position longer than normal because I moved my stop loss up into stop profit. So which means if it went back against me, I still made money, right? So you definitely, the main thing is to secure your profits in trading because um, yeah, so it might be pushing down as we see. Looks like it's going to be pushing down to the next zone. Yep, it's going to be pushing down to the next zone. So, as you can see, zone to zone trading. Just like I say, I'm looking for buys. So what I'll probably do is look for a trend line real quick. Draw a trend line from this zone here to this zone here and see. See, and this is no indicators. As you can see, no indicators. And I want you to, and I teach this inside my mentorship as well. The W formation, I teach you on the mentorship. And this candlestick formation right here, I teach you on the mentorship. If you actually go to TradeJunkiesInvestmentGroup.org, you can actually get the actual ebook that tells you candlestick formations to how to read the candlesticks. But as you can see, that was just a pullback, and I believe that this is about to push up past this zone. That's going to be a major zone to push up past. So we're going to see if it actually holds anything to it. We'll see. We keep on checking it out. Keep on looking at that, looking for it. You could, just like I said, could have gotten it for another entry. You could probably get in for another entry right now, as you can see. So we're looking at this trend line right here. We're looking at where price is on the zones. Where's price on these zones? See, this is the big entry right here. The big entry was actually right here, from that W, leg of that W, and it pushed up. Then it pushed up into this zone, which is gonna be in this zone, but once it pushes up, it's been pushing up out of zones and continuing. So we're gonna see if it holds this zone or if it pushes, right? But until then, tap in to our mentorship program. Like I said, it's on sale right now. It's going to be going back to $1,000 for a yearly subscription, but right now it's actually $300. But in order to get that, matter of fact, I'm going to drop the Zelle below. Put in when you actually get involved with the yearly subscription and you Zelle us, right? I'm gonna put it inside the comments once we close out this live session, because that's really the only way you're gonna get a discount. Or you can go on the website tradejunkies.investmentgroup.org, and you can actually get the actual yearly subscription for $1,000. But you only get it for $300 this week only. I'm gonna drop the Zelle below to make sure that you get involved. What you get with that is you get live trade sessions, you get the strategy. We open up your broker account, put money in your broker account, show you how to place your first trade, and get out your first trade. Yeah, show you how to get in your first trade and out your first trade. Show you how to actually make money in the markets same week, if not same day. It depends on how fast you actually learn. But tap in with us on the yearly subscription. That yearly subscription is gonna go back to $1,000. So y'all definitely want to tap in and get in. So this is a good entry right here. So look, check this out, and you're gonna learn this inside the yearly subscription. We teach you strategies like this to where you can make money, right? So there's a strong trend line, right? If it's not rejecting that trend line, we see. Don't like it's rejecting that trend line. So we can look at it as a sell down to the next zone. But it's actually at a zone that it can reject as well. See that zone left? The zone left can actually be a W formation, midway W formation. Look at that thing pushing up. Remember, this is just the 1 minute. You can make money on the 1 minute by scalping. If you're a scalper, let me break down what scalping is. So a scalper trader is actually a trader that only stays in the market for at least an hour to a couple minutes. That's the type of trader that I am. I am a scalper, right? I'm a sniper. I like to get in, get out, get my money, and move on about my day. Sometimes I like to get in on a sniper entry, and if I'm in on a great entry, I might move my stop loss up to get into stop profit so I can actually secure some profits. But then you have the actual intraday traders. So intraday traders, right? Intraday traders enter in at the beginning of the day, so which means you enter the market at 8:30, 9:30, and you're in it just about all day, right? You're in it just moving your stop loss up and holding your trade all day. Those are intraday traders, right? And then you have the long term. So the long term traders, I consider myself a long term trader when it comes to stocks because I feel that that stock is going to eventually go up. So why not, go in and hold it, right? But it's not all like that. But when you're a long term forex trader, long term trader, period, you're in there for a month to a couple months. 1 month to a couple months, 1 month to 3 months to 6 months. You hold trades for months to maybe even a year, You know, some people really are long-term holders like that, and then what they'll do is they'll take their profits a little bit down the road, right? They'll take their profits a little bit down the road. But the main thing is, when you become a first-time trader, to make sure you do your withdrawal. Make sure you pay yourself monthly. Make sure you pay yourself daily. You know, because things happen in the market. So I just say, make sure you do a withdrawal. People get so excited about making money and compounding money, and they don't ever, withdraw money. They don't ever, you know, they don't ever withdraw money. They just keep putting money in like it's a slot machine. You gotta put money in and get money out of something, and that's what I feel. But yeah, I believe that this is gonna drop now. It's a strong drop now because it came back and touched that. Let's see what it do, man. But y'all tap in with us today. As I say, I'm gonna drop that information below. Once this I'm gonna drop that information below. So we pretty much just broke down what we do in mentorship. I even gave y'all what type of trader you could be. So make sure y'all like, share, and comment. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Right. Peace.